This is Doug Bush from Doug Bush Visual Designs and the Drill Dojo. I wanted to talk to you just briefly about my upcoming visual design workshop. It will be taking place June 15 through 16 of 2026. This is 100% online via Zoom, and while being in person is a fantastic way of learning about visual design, and I've done that several times, I feel like this is offered in a way that keeps costs down for the participants. There's no travel, there's no housing. I don't have to meet food and beverage requirements at a hotel property. You can participate in this workshop from the comfort of your own home or office, and it is still a great way to share and learn from each other. I love facilitating this workshop each year. This is the 7th annual workshop, and I am so looking forward to sharing these topics and covering them through presentations. Here is a list of what I presented in the past, and these aren't just topics that are on a list. There are presentations developed on each of these topics. So these are presentations that have been updated, have been edited, have been thought about for quite a long period of time. So it's not just riffing on a topic. All right. The design workshop is not software based. However, I do use Piware in my presentations and demonstrations, but it is not a requirement to participate in the workshop, nor is the workshop about Piware. All right. If you are looking for something that is more software oriented, then I would look for another workshop. But if you're a person that's wanting to spend time talking to other people about developing ideas and how to make ideas happen, where do the ideas come from, all that kind of stuff, creativity, then I believe this is the workshop for you. A few of the topics on this list I would like to highlight are shape evolution, levels of design and use of symbolism, everything is a remix, and managing level of demand. You can get more information about the Drill Dojo Visual Design Workshop at my website, dougbushvisualdesigns.com.